Hey everyone, I made it into Sam's Club. So look right here for Valentine's Day. The blooming plant is gonna be 15. Nice pink one. Ooh, those are kind of cute. A little bit of instant savings. Okay, 17. But you only get two in here, and it does look like these are going fast. There's only two left in my location. 16.98. These are the discs. They come in really handy. My dad did buy some, and I mean, you just throw them on the ground. You don't have to stake them or anything. If you're needing a sun hat, okay, these are going to be $15 here. And there's multiple options to choose from. If you're going to go hiking, I mean, come on, why not? Look at this one. Gonna be $35. It's actually kind of cool, I think. The flower pot. I kind of think you should maybe do like a tomato, like a little, you know what, that would look really cute. And this one, 35. Mosquito repellent is $28.98. 40-hour bonus pack in the back. Like, I guess they're little sprays. I'm not too sure. No spray, scent free. So these, okay, you put them in there. Okay. They always have this, but they never had the bonus in the back, so that is going to be a new one. And only $12.98. We have elephant ears grown in the USA. Let's see, $12.98 here. Mammoth ears. These are nice too. And $11.48. 220, and this is actually really good, but not good for your lawn, you know. It's gonna kill it. But that's 220, which is really not bad. Down here, if you're going somewhere on the water, this is gonna be 250. And a 200 for a bounce and play. You know, spring and summer they're pretty much near. Okay, today they have rainbow corns. Now this is going to be the jelly shake. I record and repeat what you say. I didn't know they do that, but that is new. You know what? They don't have a boy one. Normally they have like a new dinosaur one. Only girls. Okay, check this out. Look at that rabbit for $17.98. That's kind of cool, right? Oh, 3-in-1. Oh, look at the seal. That's so cute. Got the little whale, pirate ship. These are going to be 18. M&M's purple peanut, $15.28. Okay, I've never seen this one. Well, look at that. It's kind of giving me like Mardi Gras vibes, right? But I think it's just for something else. But look at that. I got the purple M&M. Is that the new M&M? The purple one?
Yeah, I never seen a purple one.
Yeah, where's the yellow? The yellow's the peanut one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, today they have the Hershey Bunny, $13.48. You know what would be really cool if this had like peanut butter in it. And of course you get two for $6.78. Hey, they have the spring one, $12.98. Got a little chick, a little Easter basket. You do get 70 in here. So if you guys are just looking for individual bags for chips, today they have Doritos, Ruffles, Funyuns, and Lay's. They used to have like hot Cheetos and stuff every now and then in Sam's, but they don't offer individual in Costco. The only way you could find these in Costco, if you go to the business center, you get 50 here for 19. So right now, most of the chips here are $3.98, so $4. I mean, it's kind of like a big bag, not like the extra large, but they're pretty decent sized, I think. You have Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch. Ooh, that sounds kind of good. And regular Doritos. They even have Sun Chips here. This one, the Sun Chips are $4.48. $9.48 for a 54 ounce of Starburst jelly beans. You know what? These are really good too. Okay, so I made it into the book department. I kind of just follow the store, how I walk in. I just go down these aisles right here, which is like candy and like a little bit of toys. Then I go to the books and the food is way in the back. Oh, this is new for Sam's Club. Normally I could only find books like this like in Target, Barnes and Noble, or Five Below. Demon Slayer. See, look, he has that sweater. Okay, you guys, I bought a sweater just like that, and I haven't worn it yet because I was like, oh my gosh, somebody, I don't know, my kids are making fun of me, so I haven't worn it yet. Okay, and these are Five Nights at Freddy. Grandma Kisses is $8.64. So this one is a new Dr. Seuss one for $8.48. It comes with a sound, green eggs and ham. They also have Farmyard Friends. Okay, that's really cute. Bedtime stories, $10. ABC Dance. This Hocus Pocus one is still around. Oh my gosh! Do you guys remember Harold the Purple Crayon? They used to have a show too. I remember this book growing up. Oh my gosh. Hark a Shark. These are $12.98 here. Like tons of Dr. Seuss right now. The Big Book of Bernstein Bears. Bears in the Night. That's like my favorite one. Spooky Old Tree. They have a Big Book of Beginners. Curious George is in the house. Dr. Seuss, Mr. Brown Can Move. And a large sticker book. The Friend Zone. Oh no. The Friend Zone. That's it in here. People We Met on Vacation. Hook, Line, and a Sinker. What is that? And Life's Too Short. Let me see. Potty Humor. Okay, $8.68. Do you guys remember that episode of Seinfeld where George brought the book into the bathroom and they won't take it back? Okay, and clothing, $10.98. We had the Levi Strauss. Ooh, I kind of like this one. Oh, you know what? Here's the front. I thought it would be the back. I like graphics in the back. I'm not a big graphic fan like up front. But they have them here. They're $10.98. Champion shorts are $15. And they're pull-on. Great for working out. Oh, this is good. $14. They also have gray, like dark, and a lighter wash. Okay, I found some sandals today. The leather one for $17. Okay, there's that, and it looks like Skechers has a shoe here. They're vegan. They're gonna be $37. Now this one looks like a memory foam, like for men. Okay. So the Vince Camuto sweater we've seen before, these are $14 now. Well, $15 from $18. And by the Gap, they're going to be $20. It goes up to double X here. The Relaxed Girlfriend, the cuff. I do like pants like this, but I'm not a fan if they were, I wish they weren't cuffed. I mean, maybe I could, oh, you know what? I could take it off, okay. Because, you know, sometimes they're already cuffed and sewed for you. I enjoy the ankle pant. That's just me. I've always liked that. I just don't know if I like this green stripe right here. Because the gray one also has that, but I don't know. You have to try it on and like bring it back. No dressing rooms here. Now we have the Tummyless boot cut. These are $18. Today they have the men's Hurley flip-flop. They are $20. They have brown and they also have black. Just like the little bubble. Do you know what? Kohl's was having like a really good sale on clothing. Like all Kohl's. Just go to Kohl's, period. I was at Kohl's a couple days ago. It was like 8% off. And I think there's a few extra. And they had like these sandals I wanted to get. So I went online and I was like, put them in the cart, and I forgot all about it. 2 hours later, sold out. And they were $7 for the Under Armour like men cushion sandals. Oh my gosh, so I can't believe how fast they went. Okay, these are gonna be 15. We have swimsuit here. Shorts for men, boys 15, 12, little girl stuff, Hurley. These are 12 as well. My gosh. Can't believe we're getting into the season. Look at Oshkosh. Those are $12.98, and they also have it in blue. Eddie Bauer sandals are 13. Nothing new in clothing for children. I get asked all the time. There's nothing. We have pajama sets though. They are 16, $15.98. We have Bluey. We have Paw Patrol and Pokemon. Spider-Man and Minnie Mouse, Encanto, haven't seen. These are going to be 11. A lot of pajamas. And then here's like some cute Gap stuff. So the Gap for boys are $11.98. Look at that cute sweater. It's really lightweight too. They do have bottoms. The bottoms are going to be 12, so $11.98. Same with the girls, same price, $11.98. Bottom is sold separately. Costco, normally they put them together. Okay, looks like t-shirts here. Okay, capri leggings. They're $10.98, so 11, and you will get 3 in here, which is a pretty good deal. And the shirts are $12.98. And you get 2, of course. Let me walk down here. Carters are going to be $11. Hey, look at that. What is that, a grasshopper? Skateboarding? It's kind of funny. Look at these shorts though. Okay, the shorts are actually kind of cute. They have like little bugs on here. Those are cute. Reminds me of Bugs Land. I can't believe they took Bugs Land down. What else is over here? Let me keep walking. Okay, I found more Skechers. These are $40. Oh, the black and white one. Okay, it looks like I found sandals over here. They're gonna be $10.98. Oh, very I want to say maybe the same price in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Actually, you can find this brand too in Ross for $8. So pretty inexpensive over there. So you know how I was talking about liquor? So there's more liquor in Costco compared to Sam's. Sam's is always the same. Costco always brings out like a new one. It's kind of different how Costco and Sam's are different. Well, Sam's to me would be more snacky. You know, if you want more organic, I would say Costco. I haven't found really organic in my Sam's. Look at that, the margarita, $18.46. $18.46. $18.46. They're all $18.46 here. So they have a beer making bottling kit. Let's see, beer making kit, yeast, 10 bottles. Okay, that is going to be $30. Okay, this one's new, full of flavor, not sugar, is $16.98. Hydrating lemon water. Dragon fruit mango, peach raspberry. Okay, that's new. Okay, this is new for Sam's. You get 12 in here. They are gluten-free. They're gelato bars. Okay. For $11.48. You get 30 in here for 10. Same price in Winco, I want to say. Okay, you guys, and this is going to be, you get 8 for $23.98. So more instant savings. There's one more. It's a few yellow. Oh, you know what? The wand vac is still $89. Okay, that's been here for a while. The crock pot is $40, and that is a 7-quart. So here's another one for $140. Okay, that's still here. The shark is still $140 over here. The rotator one. KitchenAid is $300, and it says this went down in price. So $50 from 59. That's still around. Oh, and over here, the baby one is 50, 49.98. Make your own baby food, which is like really easy. And honestly, you guys, you don't need to buy the baby one. I know it's like marketed for that. You could use your Ninja blender too. Even if you have one of these, you could just steam it and do that. Really easy. Okay. And you know what? I don't see anything else new like happening in Sam's Club. Let me keep walking. 11:32. Okay, and of course you get 3. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the Sam's Club. Okay, $8.98 down here, and of course you get 3. Let's look at them real quick. Lavender, citrus, and ocean breeze. Please stay safe out there, you guys. And I will see all of you in the next one.